our side. You'll still be close to me when I read the words you